Welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. Tonight we're out in the shop working on the Turbo Grand Cherokee project. We've got a new Tial wastegate that we're going to swap out and get rid of this Chinese piece of junk that isn't doing much good, and hopefully be able to hold 7 pounds of boost instead of 6 or 14 or whatever it decides to do. So yeah, let's get going. Now I've already got the springs that I want installed in this gate. I've got it set up to run at 7.5 psi, so hopefully it will be around there. We'll see if it boost creeps or anything else once it's set up. But this should be a pretty straightforward swap. The import one I've got down there is a knockoff of this one, so hopefully the V-band flanges and everything are the same. They should be, but we'll see here in just a little bit. Well, I got the import unit out, and it served its purpose, but like I say, it's got the moisture inside it right now. The valve itself is frozen from moisture, which would explain why during cold weather this thing would randomly hit 15 pounds of boost for no reason. There's a pretty obvious difference in quality between these two, and the flanges and everything look to be correct size and orientation, so I believe I'll just be able to put the new inserts in them and new clamps, and hopefully just swap this directly for this one. Should work. So yeah, we'll see if it does. Well, got the new wastegate fitted. That's a Tial MVS 38mm V-band setup. Got all the plugs in it, got all the hoses hooked up to it, and have the springs in it that I need. Everything lined up pretty well, just like it did before. So I guess that knockoff wasn't a half bad knockoff. But now all that's left to do is to run it for a little bit, let it warm up, and take it for a test drive. Okay, we've driven it around a little bit, got it up to operating temperature, and now we're gonna see how it holds boost. Maybe. Well, we're back from the test drive, and it's holding 7 pounds of boost now. It's really responsive, so I'm pretty happy with the outcome on it. Yeah, like I said, 7 pounds for now. Here in the near future, it's probably going to get an intercooler, and we're going to turn that up a good bit. Hopefully, 14, 15 pounds, as long as the injectors and pump keep up. And we need to throw a little bit more timing at it, but we'll see if the transmission will hold it, which it probably won't, but yeah, might as well have fun with it. But anyways, we've got a few more things coming up here real soon. Got Project Nightmare coming back here within the week, hopefully, if parts all show up on time. And a few other projects to introduce. So yeah, hang around, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe.